Introducing the 2022 Skoda Octavia STY 2.0tdi, a powerful and stylish 5-door saloon in sleek black. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle offers both comfort and safety. Plus, with ABS, lane departure warning, and smart card entry, you can drive with peace of mind. Benefit from the chrome package, limited slip differential, and stop and start system for added convenience. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.